model, 2012 Renault TRAFIC long wheelbase, diesel LL29dCi 115% 5BSat Nav %, 5D van Euro 5 body, white, panel van mileage, 184983 MOT, the 10th of January 2024 engine, 1996 CCM 9R 115 E5 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average, interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, Cat N in 2021. Click the link in the description.